Tu Piece en Español.
Hi, thank you. I'm doing really good. How are you?
I am super excited. I am always excited because it's lovely to talk to you.
Oh, thanks.
Okay, so today we are going to talk about how to say, for example, today is Monday or today is Wednesday, May 13, something like that. Okay?
Okay.
So,
Okay.
yeah, that's the way we say that in Spanish, at least in Mexico.
hmm
Yeah, okay. So, do you remember how to say today?
Today is hoy.
Hoy. Okay, let me put it here. Okay, so hoy. Oh, shoes. I put it in white. But, okay. Hoy. And then you use the verb to be and you need to say the verb ser. Because
Okay.
do you remember that in the doctor,
hmm
it's about dates.
Okay.
Okay, that's ser. So it's today. Hoy es. And then you say the day. For example, actually, hoy es jueves.
hmm
And then you say the number. So if we are here, today is 29. How do you
Yeah.
say 29?
Uh, 29.
29, ajá. And then you say the month, de
De
enero.
enero. Okay.
And then you say the year. And we don't say 2026.
Okay.
At least as I remember, no, we don't say that. We
Okay.
say 2026, the
Dos
full
mil.
number.
Okay.
2026, okay?
2026. Okay.
But now we are going to talk about yesterday. Do you remember how to say yesterday?
Yesterday is ayer.
Okay. So ayer. So yesterday is past. So the
hmm
verb to be in past is fue.
Fue.
Okay.
Okay.
So what day was yesterday?
Fue miércoles.
Exacto. Miércoles. Uh, what day?
28
28.
de
And then the month.
enero. De enero.
And then the year.
De 2026.
Okay, perfecto. And then tomorrow. How do you say tomorrow?
Tomorrow is mañana.
Perfecto. Mañana. So in this case, you can use es, mañana es, because we can use the present
Hmm.
in future simple or próximo. Okay,
Oh,
so
okay.
mañana es o mañana será.
Oh, okay. Mañana será.
Okay,
Either one is fine? Okay.
so mañana es, what day is tomorrow?
Viernes.
Exacto, mañana es viernes. What number?
Uh, 30.
Muy bien. Then
Uh,
the month.
de enero.
Enero. And then the day.
De 2026.
Exacto. But then we have a super cool that I think I should put it between this one. So
Okay.
the day before yesterday, we call it ante ayer.
Oh, okay.
And this is the formal one because there is one that it's not that formal and you can say antier.
Oh, okay.
Okay, but that's not
Yeah.
that's not formal. Okay?
Okay.
So anteayer
Anteayer.
fue because it's past. So what day was anteayer?
Martes.
Exacto, martes. And then the day.
Martes 27
Perfecto, 27. Then the month.
de enero
Uh-huh.
de 2026.
Exacto. Okay. Yay! So
Yay!
you have almost the complete week. But for
Uh-huh.
example, if you want to say Monday,
Uh-huh.
you say ante ayer.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so you count back the days, and it's ante ayer.
Oh,
Or
okay.
just say Monday. El pasado, also you can say el pasado lunes.
El pasado lunes. Okay.
Yeah, the last Monday. El pasado lunes o el pasado domingo.
Okay.
Okay. So
Okay.
yeah, so that yeah, you complete all the days.
Wonderful. Thank
Yeah,
you.
thank you so much for coming.
Of course. Thank you.
Bye. Bye bye.
Bye.